Welcome back to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are talking again further about Elohim coin. Elohim coin is a project of an already existing company, Information Technology Incorporated. You can go on their website, informationtechnologies.us. They are in Watertown and Arnoldsburg. They have an email address and for sure a telephone number, and you can also make online appointments with them because they are offering solutions in many kind of different cases: AI integration, blockchain technology, program development, system analysis, technology funding partnerships, and so on. They start to create now the Elohim University network, and that's why they need the Elohim coin as an ICO, and they will start this ICO soon in a couple of weeks, and I will show you exactly the time it starts. I will remember you. Please stay tuned. It will go over the Binance Smart Chain. We will have 50 billion supplies, and there's much more coming behind Elohim coin. And today I want to show you what they exactly also push behind. It's not only education, it's not only an AI platform technology, multifunction wallet. They have much more behind it. So they also push forward startups. That mean people who have ideas, who have new inventions, they push them, they develop the project and help them out with money, with ideas, with solutions, because every problem you can find a solution, right? And I just want to show you two things they also push forward in education and project financing. This is the net zero homes. That means a home which is providing electricity, which refill the water, which all these energy efficient houses and economically independently houses, right? So you don't need much more from external developers for your heating, for your electricity, for your water, etc. They try to build a net zero home. That means everything you need to live, it comes from your own home. You don't need to have to pay someone else for your electricity, water, or heating costs, right? And this is interesting, and maybe some of you guys say it is boring, whatever, who cares? But I will show you right now a real new deal on the market. And you know the 3D printers, right? Did you know that you can print houses with that already? Look at here, Chinese 3D printing company to print houses across Egypt. So they will start now with big 3D printers. You can see them here. You can print a whole house with this technology. And sure, they will start now in countries which they don't have much money and they want a very economic way to build a house, right? But imagine if you look here on this website, they show already printed house, but printed house for this is just parts printed, okay? This is not the whole house is printed. But if you look here, you scroll here down, this house you can rent for 800 or 946 US dollar. You will say, oh, that's expensive, right? But look at here. Austin and Tabasco houses. They already provide these houses and construction costs around 4,000 US dollars. And sure, this is a very small house, right? But you can imagine which direction this all goes, okay? I mean, you need a basement. This basement have to be strong. And I don't know, you can print also basements already, but I know you can print houses and parts of it. And they want to bring this forward. Elohim coin want to educate people. They want to help startups to go forward with this technology, right? And they want also to do these things by themselves. You can see Gaia. Here's another one who make 3D printed houses. Construction costs $900 US for the main structure. So that means no specials, no electricity, etc. But $900. Where you can buy a house for $900? Nowhere. Moscow house. I think this is a Russian company, maybe. Yes, location Russia. Construction cost around 10,000 US dollars. I think this is already to live inside. Again, this is a small home, but it is not a container home. It is not a mobile home. It is a finished, printed house. So you can print your house in future, and this will be easily and cost efficiency. And these guys bring this forward. And I don't know, not only this, they bring the education with it. They bring a wallet which you can, if you study this kind of things, you already get paid for studying these things, right? So they want to change a little bit the planet with their technology inventions. They want to go forward with these ideas, and that's why they use right now the blockchain. And they want to start this big project, the Elohim coin, soon. I think 1 or 2 weeks the pre-sale will start, and I will tell you more about the pre-sale, when it starts, where you can buy this token. I'm sure on PancakeSwap, because it's on Binance Smart Chain. And until then, I wish you all the best. Wish you the best profits on the blockchain. And see you later, alligator. Bye.